Alright guys, so now that I have the holes all marked up on the splitter, now it's time to drill. Now that we have our pilot holes drilled, we're going to switch to the 1/4 and drill the main holes. And then you just want to go through all of these. So you're going to do this all the way around, and make sure you get good over your Sharpie marks. And then after that, after all the holes are put on, all you gotta do is bolt it right up. So I'm gonna finish all these up and we're gonna put on the car. Yo, what is up guys? So before I actually get the splitter put on the car, I'm gonna be using this red electric tape that I used in my last splitter, and I'm also gonna do the same thing on this one. And I'm just gonna line the whole entire bottom of the splitter with it. So I'm gonna get this put on there. I gotta be really steady, make sure I clean all this off, and then show you guys how it looks. So this is the splitter after putting on the red tape. So like I said, it's just like a little subtle thing I had added. I get it tucked all along. The two things we have to do is bolt the splitter up to the car and then measure where the support rods are going to be going. Alright guys, now the Mustang's jacked up, we're going to put the splitter back into place and show you how everything looks. So I'm just going to clamp it back into place, just like we did it when we were measuring the holes. So I'm just going to go one by one with all these bolts I have and work my way all the way along the splitter into the holes that you drilled. Alright, so now the splitter's all bolted up, and I'm just going to go through and tighten all the bolts up. Alright, so here's what it looks like all bolted up. As you can see, when I was tightening up the bolts, I pushed the splitter as close to the body as I could. There is a tiny little gap right there. Once these bars go in, it shouldn't even be noticeable. There it is guys, all put on. Now I'm going to go ahead and measure where the splitter support rods are going. Alright, here it is with the rods. Looks so good.